Hello everyone, I am audible and visible to you. Kindly let me know, then we will start with the session for today. I hope I am audible and visible to you. Welcome to Abhipedia. My name is Ankur Sharma. Today we will do practice of further MCQs, and our topic would be for today is journal. And I want to tell you that this journal is very important. It is the basic of accounting. If you know journal, it means you are well versed with the basics of the accounting. Journal is very important for you to understand accounting. So I would make you practice few questions related to journal, and before going further, this is the information for you. Our live and recorded batch has started from 7th. If you want to inquire or you need any information, you can contact on these numbers. And the first question for today is, good afternoon. Journal is the book of, first option is original entry, second option is secondary entry, C, all cash transactions, D, all non-cash transactions. Let's see. Hi Idrish, sorry. Hi Idrish. Let's see who will answer this. Saksham, A. Good evening, Jashan. Saksham says A. Others also, give it a try. A. Not a very tough question. If you know the definition of journal, you must be able to attempt this one. Saksham says A. Jashandeep, what would be your answer in this, for this? A. Right. So the answer is A, original, books of original entry, because very first time if a business transaction happens, it is recorded in journal, and every transaction, whether it is of cash transaction or it is a non-cash transaction, it is noted in this books of original entry, that is journal. So journal is a book of original or prime entry and not a book of secondary entry. This you must keep in mind. And for ledger, you can say it is in secondary entry, because the first an entry is entered into the journal and then it goes further. Then this question, second question, who is pro-founder of the double entry system? Henry Fayol, Lucas Pacioli, Henry Ford, Adam Smith. I hope you must be knowing this. Let's see who is the first one to answer this. कौन बताएगा सबसे पहले? Let's see. Who is the profounder of double entry system? Henry Fayol, Lucas Pacioli, Henry Ford, Adam Smith. Many of you are saying B, right? Almost everyone is saying B. So yes, B, Lucas Pacioli. Henry Fayol gave the principles in business, regarding business. Adam Smith is known as father of economics, and Henry Ford you must be knowing. The next question for today is, wages paid to John, rupees 30,000. Which account will be debited? Wages account, John account, cash account, bank account. Let's see who will answer this. Give it a try and then I will explain the answer to you. First you give it a try. Yes. Answer for the third question. Rajneesh, Dinesh, Jashan. Okay, I am getting the answers. Idrish says C. Which account is debited? Right. Pallavi says A. Avinash says A. Others also, wages account, option A, Dinesh. Okay, right. So I will explain you the option wages paid. So wages is a nominal account. So rule for nominal account is expenses are always debited. So which account will be debited? Wages account. And the second thing you have to keep in mind regarding expenses is that expenses are never debited to this personal account. A company might be having 3 lakh of employees, so they can't enter wages or salaries by their name. They club the amount and enter it once as wages. I hope it is clear to you. So this would be the journal entry: wages account debited to cash or bank, because nowadays normally firms pay through NEFT or through bank only. So cash or bank, both are right, and rule will be debit all expenses. The next one, the fourth question, Idrish says why. What was your answer, Idrish? Answer was C. You said C. Let me see. C is cash. Cash is going out of the business, Idrish. Cash is going out of the business. So the rule for this will be credit what goes out, because cash is a cash or bank, both are real account. Right? I hope it is clear to you now. Next is payment of 6,000 done to Rohit through check. Which account will be credited? Which account should be? Acha, you used for yes. Okay, my bad, Idrish. I hope you have understood the point. Okay, payment of rupees 6,000 done to Rohit through check. Which account will be credited? Let's see. I've got the first answer that says bank. Okay, keep on. Yes, trying. Pallavi. Manan says A for the third one. Manan, for the fourth one, bank account. Nitin says Rohit will be credited. C, bank account will be credited. Avinash says, Manikant says C. Others also give it a try. Saksham says C, bank. Right. So I am explaining you, we have made the payment and payment is made through check. So our bank account, bank balance will be reduced, and our bank account is a real account, and for that you will use credit what goes out. So bank account will be credited and the journal entry will be Rohit account debited. Rohit is a personal account and he will be receiving that money, so he will be debited because according to the rules of personal account, and bank will be credited. Credit was what goes out. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Most of you were right. I hope it is clear. Let's move forward to the next question then. The receiver is called debtor and the giver is called creditor. This in which rule of accounts? Personal accounts rule, real accounts rule, trading accounts rules, or income and expenditure account rules? Just give it a try. According to which account rules receiver is called debtor and the giver is called creditor? I have got the first answer. Personal account means A option. Others also give it a try. Rajneesh, Dinesh, Jashandeep Kaur, Saksham, Manan, give it a try. Others, Nitin says A. Okay, Idrish says A. Others also give it a try. Now I will explain the answer to you. First you give it a try. Every one of you give it an honest try. A. I am getting many options A. Yes, this is the rule of personal account. Exact rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. So the receiver can be called the debtor and giver can be called the creditor. So according to that rule, the answer is A. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next question is the sixth one. When a firm purchases an asset, then which account is debited? Asset account, purchases account, cash account, or both A and B? Let's see who will answer this one. Asset account, says Scoob. Okay, others also, give it a try. Everyone, give it a try. Let's see. Others, Idris says C. Okay, let's see. Keep on trying, keep on trying. Others also. Saksham says D. Okay, others. Jashandeep says A. I am getting the answers. Ishita says D. Okay. Right. When a firm purchases an asset, then which account is to be debited? You know the term asset. Asset is a property of the business. When you purchase that asset, if you purchase furniture, then furniture account will be debited. Any asset you have purchased, that would be debited. Keep this in mind. Okay, rule will be asset is in real account, and real account says if something is coming, means debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So you have to think that whatever asset you are purchasing, when you purchase, the asset will come to you, money will go out. Money will go out, but the asset will come to you. So means debit what comes in. I hope it is clear to everyone. Explanation, so entry would be asset account debited to cash or bank, because this cash or bank is also a real account. For this, the rule will be credit what goes out, because money, bank balance or cash, whatever, in whichever form you would be paying, it will reduce, it will go out. And this asset, whatever kind of asset you are purchasing, that will come to you. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. That would be the rule. So accordingly, this asset will be debited. So answer will be A. I hope it is clear to everyone. And anyone having doubts till now? In any entry till now you are having doubt? Anyone? So I would be moving forward then. In initial 6 questions, any of you were having doubts? I hope it is clear to everyone. Manikant, Avinash, Ishita, Nitin, Rajneesh, Dinesh, Saksham, Idresh. I hope it is clear to everyone. So I will move on to the next question then. A firm borrows a sum of money from HDFC Bank. Which account is credited? Read the question carefully before answering it. I have told you many a times earlier also. So options are bank account, capital account, HDFC account, and none of the above. I have got my first answer. Okay. Others also give it a try. Come on everyone, give it a try. Let's see, then I will give you the explanation for that. Which account will be credited and why. I will give you the explanation for that. Give it a try everyone, come on. C. Nitin says C. Okay. One option I have got from D. It is A. Vishnu says A. Others also. Manan, Rajneesh, Dinesh, give it a try. Idris says B. Okay. Others says, Manikant says A. Okay. So you have to keep this in mind. You are borrowing money from this HDFC bank. So when you are borrowing money from this bank is is treated as an artificial person. So it is a personal account. Okay, bank is a personal account. So for personal account, rule is, we have done an earlier question also. What is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now you have to think, this HDFC bank is a giver. Hello everyone. Actually, due to some technical glitch, we won't be able to do questions further for the MCQ session. Tomorrow again I will come up with more questions of journal. We'll complete the topic tomorrow, and I will add few questions also, and then we will do our topic. And sorry for inconvenience.